So, what we are going to talk about today? How about this one? This is Jimmy. Today's content is related to the Porsche 911 and the installation of the wheel spacer. This wheel spacer is from the BONOSS Lightweight Plus wheel spacer and our protagonist. Do you know what this is? It is a set of the customer extended wheel shell bolt. I need to explain that why many people want to install the wheel spacer. That is because they think the wheel is to suck in under the fender, and after the installation of the wheel spacer, and the wheels will look flush with the fender. After installation, the body will be wider, and the extended shell bolt are installed to match the thickness of the wheel spacer and the original length of the wheel hump. After measurement, we are going to throw on some spacer. Normally we will choose 12 to 50 millimeter, but after the measurement I will choose the 11 millimeter for the front wheels, and maybe 7 millimeter will be fit on the rear wheel. The wheel bolt need to able to throw on the spacer and reach the hub assembly. It is necessary to combine the thickness of the wheel spacer. That's 11 millimeter, and 30 millimeter reaches the length of the stop bolt. That is the stop bolt. Install a set of the specific bolt to make sure the bolt is long enough to go through on the wheel spacer and the car assembly. First of all, this one is a set of the Lightweight Plus wheel spacer. And the biggest feature of this wheel spacer, that is the lightweight according to its name. And it uses, as we can see, that is the number 7175-T6. Material to achieve is extremely lightweight. And the BONOSS wheel spacers are the lightest one compared to other brands. But if you did more research before purchasing, you will notice that some spacers are hub-centric. The central protruding part is used to fit the wheel, and there's a groove cut on the back of the wheel spacer to fit the hump, the wheel hump. And hub-centric ensure the perfect fit of each part, maybe the wheel and the wheel hump. So make sure that the wheel spacer you're buying are the hub-centric. The installation process is pretty simple, but I still show you the process and gonna tell you what is the before and after this one and this one. Most people will install the wheel spacer on the wheel hub directly. But professionals will recommend that you clean the wheel hub with brake cleaner first and sandpaper. We do not want the rocks and other stands become the cause of the abnormal vehicle noise, especially in the wheel spacer. We need to make sure the wheel spacer fitted perfectly. And when we finish the installation of the wheel hub, while we have to find the protruding parts of the wheel spacer that is hub-centric, we can fit the wheels perfectly. We have to make sure there's no gap between the wheel and wheel spacer. This extended shell bolt is composed of a shell cover and bolt. This one is extended bolt. The shell is made of the 7075-T6 material, 8 colors. I choose the red one and the blue one. And the use of the shell actually protecting the vehicle bolts from stands and corrosion. The bolts are made of 12.9 grade, high-strength CM4 material. Here we are driving safely. So here's finished. We still need the torque range set to 140 Nm to fasten it again. Now install the shell of the bolt. Remember to install it slightly.
ต่อการไว้พา